Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to watch Macolette TikTok compilation uploaded by Beanie Boom. Alam ko may mga Macolette shipper din dyan na nagre-request ng Macolette video. So ito na guys, let's start. Grabe yun! Isa ano! Beanieverse! Again, sorry guys kung hindi natin volume kasi may copyright. Parang kinikilig din sila pag naghaharutan sila eh. And Maloy, the only exception pagdating sa pagpisil sa pisngi ni Colette. Diba? Colette, one chance lang. Diba? Oh, like, out of nowhere, pipisilan yung pisngi ni Colette. Cute! Ganda ni Colette! Okay. Slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture this part during wag mo na tayong umuwi. Parang naka-automatic na sila sa part na to. Grabe naman tong dugo na to. Parang dapat pala hindi ako mag-schedule ng i-video ng mga ship yung magkakasunod kasi hindi ko kinakaya talaga. From Juliet, Mikaya, Juliet, then Colette. Aww. Eh, magkatabi Macolette. Ang cute naman ng mga bonding moments nila. Since day one, sila na talaga yung partners. Ganda. Sabay silang gumraduate. What egos. Grabe to. Out of nowhere.
Bumaligawan si Maloy. Seryoso po ako sa anak niyo. Seryoso po ako kay Maloy. Yan, nililigawan ko po si Maloy. And kayo din.
What if What if tatahanin charot? Shoot responsibly.
Pili dito eh. Dahil may second opinion. Okay, so, pili ka, sis. Uy! Okay, talaga ba? Ready? And...
Tanggal angas kay Colette. Kay Maloy.
Uy, binayaran nila yun. Bumili sila ng 100 albums.
Oh, may posting kasi sa after party na. Anyways, let's go.
Naging tiklop yung anger pag kay Maloy. Hi! Nation Scream. Go, yeah.
You asked me to join you, okay? Naglayas tayo. Now
This
you don't even know
TikTok.
where we're going?
Will you just let me think for a minute, okay?
Pogi!
Ubusan na tayo ng gasolina. Kanina ka pa drive na drive.
Shut up and let
Give
me think
this
for
to
a minute.
a,
Bakit
teleserye.
mo ba ako niyaya maglayas?
Look, it's the first time I'm going to do this, okay? How do you
Pogi
expect
ang
me
ahos,
to...
ang ganda
Ikaw,
ko.
lalaki. You're supposed to know what to do.
Well, I don't know what to do. Oh, what's wrong with you?
He's so stupid. This is also stupid.
This is not only stupid. This is wrong.
Cut nila doon. Sweet. Ang sakit na ng panga ko. Ah. Grabe naman yan. In their own world. Tanggal angas par. Cute. Ang sweet naman. Grabe na may mag-uyab. The intertwin talaga. I cannot. Aww. With FF. Cutie. What's that? Cuties. Ito talaga yung picture nila ng graduation. Bonus. Oh, collect! Oh my gosh! Gets na gets kita, Maloy. Gets na gets. Every time nagaganon si Colette, oh my god. Ah, get, oh nga, tama.
Alam kayo, Ben. Medyo. Dito sa part na.
Look, you asked me to join you, okay? Naglayas tayo.
Bakit kaya?
Super.
You asked me to join you, okay? Naglayas tayo. Now you don't even know where we're going?
Just let me think for a minute, okay?
Nauubusan na tayo ng gasolina. Kanina ka pa drive na drive.
Shut up and let me think for a minute.
Bakit mo ba ako niyaya maglayas?
First time I'm going to do this, okay?
Ay, yung tawa ni Maloy kinikilig din.
Lalaki, you're supposed to know what to do.
Well, I don't know what to do. What's wrong with you?
True.
Ni Colette dun.
He's so stupid. This is also stupid.
This
pinapaulit-ulit.
This is wrong. Oh, basta mga very hindi si Colette kasi konyo.
True. So, ayan, yung mga makulit shippers dyan, kaya nyo pa ba? Puro ship yung nirere ako, so hindi na kinakain ng puso ko, guys. Like, kinikilig talaga ako sa lahat ng ship. And by the way, guys, may plano ako. Pag nakasecure ako ng Grand Biniverse, magpapatato pa dito. Kamay dito. Ng Bini logo dito. Kasi gusto ko siya something sa hand ko, pero dito kasi meron na, puno na siya. So, dito, parang pwede pa naman siya dito or kaya dito. Basta Bini. Gusto ko nga parang outline ng mukha ni Colette or itsura ni Colette. Pero, let's see. Wala pa akong pera. After, pinag-iipunan ko kasi ngayon yung Grand Biniverse. So, sana makasecure talaga. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!